Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I'm going to unbox the September Glossybox. Mary is roaming around, so it's very possible she'll join me for this video, or I may have to run off because she's, I don't know, throwing things out the window. Who knows? But for now, let's unbox the September 2025 Glossybox. Okay, this month we don't have a box. We have a bag, and you know I love it. I love it, woo, when they send us a bag rather than a box. So here it is. I hope you can see, the sun is very glary. Let me see if I can twist this bad boy around. No, we're just gonna have to handle that glare. Anyway, this month we have a bag, so let's open her up and see what's inside. Ooh, I'm loving this. Okay, I've spotted something really good, so I'm gonna maybe leave that best till last. But apart from that, I think I'm just gonna dig in and see what comes into my hands. First of all, we have a Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm. This is 100% natural. It's an it's an Australian brand, and it's just a really good all-rounder moisturizer. I'm dropping things. I've had this before, but in the tinted version, but I have to say, I do prefer the original. You know, you can use it as a lip balm, you can use it as a cream, you can use it on, like, I don't know, your brows, your heels, your knees, your elbows, wherever you want. And no tint, which I do actually prefer. The tint is pretty, but I prefer no tint. So that is the first item, and I really like this. It's just a good staple. And then next up, oh, I spy a little bit of makeup. Let's have a look in here. So it's protected with bubble wrap, thank you very much. And this is by Saint Luxe, and it is a highlighter. I hope you can see. My God, this lighting today is not my friend. Anyway, let's have a look. This is Saint Luxe. It's a highlighter, and hopefully the light will actually show it in all its glory. Let's do a little swatchy. Oh, wow. It's giving at my end. God, this light. It's hard work today, man. Is that shimmering away? Can you see? Oh, there it is. I think it's picking up on the light. It's super pretty in real life. I don't know if you can see it on camera. God, this lighting. It's not my friend. It's hard work. Anyway, that is the powder. This is the shimmer, if you can see that. Hopefully you can. I might do a cutaway and, you know, really go wild with my editing skills. Okay, next up, what have we got? Oh, we've got a little mirror. Do you know what? I like a little mirror. It's handy. Who doesn't need a little handbag mirror? There we go. Is it magnified at one side? Oh yeah, one side is magnified. Oh, that's too much information. Anyway, it's branded Glossybox. Very cute, nice and handy. I like it. And then what next have we got? We've got Glow Core. I don't know this brand. Let's see what this is. It is a lip glow oil. Ooh, let's have a look-see. This is quite like, I'd say quite like a summery coded box, I would say. It's a lip oil. I love a lip oil because you know what? They're like a lip gloss because they give gloss, but they don't make you sticky. They just make you kind of hydrated. And also, if you want, you can put a little bit of like pigment in from like another lipstick, mix it all around, so you can get like a tinted lip oil, or you can just do it over your lipstick like me. Mary, don't climb out the window. No. Seriously, Mary, no climbing out the window. I don't want you on the pavement. Okay, so before she gets out the window, let me show you the final item. This is Bioma, and this is very cool, actually. It's a sensitive retinol oil. Mary, seriously? Oh my God, hang on. She's literally trying to escape out the window, no joke. Okay, I need to wrap this up quickly, but this is by Bioma. Hello, Mary. You're gonna say hi? It's by Bioma, and it is sensitive retinol oil. And I'm living for this actually because I love a retinol, but I do have that very sensitive, irritable, dry skin, and sometimes I just feel like I need to avoid them because I just don't know. Oh my God, just as I finish my video, the sun stops being so glary. That's so annoying. Anyway, I have really dry and sensitive skin, so I do have to be careful with retinols. So basically, for some people, this might be too weak. For people like me or people who are just starting on retinols, this is perfect. And I think this is full size. It's a 30 ml bottle. And by the way, don't you just love this packaging? I do. So what does it say about it? Smoothing retinol with barrier lipids, perfect for first time users or sensitive skin. Like I said, look at that. Hello, I've that's a torch. That's a torch. So yes, that is the final item. I think it's the best thing in the box. This is actually probably worth quite a lot. This is by Bioma. I really like their skincare. I think it's really good. The Dr. Paw Paw is always handy. I like the little bag. I mean, it's handy. It's not my favourite colour, but it's handy to have a little bag. The mirror, nice and handy as well. The highlighter, I wonder if you can see it better. Oh, there we go. It's better in that light. There we go. But yeah, the highlighter is really pretty. And then what else did we get? Oh, the lip oil, which I'm wearing. Look, there it is. Nice and shiny. Anyway, that's my video. I hope it wasn't too chaotic. Mary is still in the room with us. She's not gone out the window, so things are good. Anyway, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed. That's what's inside the September Glossybox, and I'll see you again very soon. Okay, bye!